this is Kuniko. I'm gonna show you some rope swing drill so that you can practice at home. Okay, let's start. We're gonna start with athletic posture. Athletic posture is a lot of a mini squat. Engage your core, glute thigh, then holding the rope in front of your body. Then pushing down the back foot, pushing down the front foot, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. If you are sending the energy to the ground, your rope is swinging. Like this. If you are sending more energy to the ground, rope is swinging more. If you don't have an athletic posture, pushing down, rope is not swinging. So then even if you have a lot of athletic posture, but kind of like this, rope is not swinging. Make sure your rope is swinging back and forth. This is we call dance. This is a start. Now we are adding the motion. We're gonna start with athletic posture. Then we have a 3 dance at the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Then put the rope on your shoulder. You're gonna step front foot, swing down the rope, and finish. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3. Swing down, finish. Swing down, finish. Swing down, finish. Backswing, if you have a short arm like this, you're gonna hit by rope. And also, if your lead arm super extended, you're gonna hit by rope as well. So I want you to have a nice and wide turn during the backswing. And also follow through. If you have a short follow through, you're gonna hit by rope. So I want you to have a nice extend, tall finish at the end. Let's go. Start with a good squat. Then 1, 2, 3 dance. Then step, finish. Step, finish. Step, finish. I recommend you to do this drill maybe 4 times or 5 times if you want to be strong. Okay, let's go. 3 dance first. 1, 2, 3. Swing down, finish. Swing, finish. Swing, finish. Okay, I think you are a little bit getting tired right now, but we're gonna do one more set, then finish up today. Let's do it. Good squat. Step, 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 step. Turn. Step, finish. Step, finish. Step, finish. That's it today. Thank you very much. I will see you tomorrow.